When do you know when you're hiring a bad photographer? If you ever hear these questions, such as, I would like to make a handsome living as a photographer. Which camera should I buy? Should I buy Canon or Nikon? Would brand excellence be a good choice? Which accessories will I need? How do I find clients? How much should I charge? Anyone who asks any of these questions has a 99.99% likelihood of failing. And that may be on the low side. Frankly, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed of complete ignorance of most of the people who has never touched a professional camera or camera for that matter, and immediately wants to be a professional photographer. It is like the person who has never studied anatomy and wants to be a general surgeon. You probably want to stay away from them. Think about it. Why would someone hire you to photograph their wedding if you don't know anything about cameras, lenses, lighting, dealing with their attendees, especially the bride's mother, editing images, understanding printing, using flash, dealing with the minister, etc., etc., etc. Did you get the picture? If you know nothing now and want to become a professional photographer and are offended by this video, you are likely in the 99.99% and should seek another profession. Sorry if you're offended, but it's better being offended now than when your bills and rents are due.